Welcome back everyone. In this video I want to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPad mini 6. The button layout is different to the other iPads, but the process is exactly the same. Now the first way of taking a screenshot on your iPad mini 6 is by locating your Touch ID button and your volume up button. If this is in landscape mode like this, then it'll be on the side, or if it's in portrait mode, then it'll be at the top. Press the Touch ID and the volume button at the same time. You'll see your screen turn white and the iPad will take a screenshot of your screen. The animation will then show you the screenshot at the bottom left of the screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the screenshot at the bottom left and it'll show you the screenshot in full screen. Here you can basically edit your screenshot. You can crop it or you can edit the screenshot. You can add circles or lines to show your friends and family members a certain part of the screenshot. When you're happy with your edit, tap on Done and then press Save to Photo, which will then save the screenshot to your photo library. Now you don't need to always tap on the screenshot once you've taken it. Once you've taken a screenshot, it'll then show you a preview of the screenshot at the bottom left of the screen. If you don't tap on it, the screenshot will then go away. Once it disappears, it'll automatically save to your Photos app. So now go into your Photos app and you'll see the screenshot which you have taken and the other screenshot which you have edited. And that is how to take screenshots on your iPad mini 6. If you have any questions from me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to this channel as it really means a lot, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you get alerted for the next video. If you found this video useful, then please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.